Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you top 5 projects that you can build while learning a Python. These are intermediate projects that you can include into your resume to impress your recruiters. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel and also push the bell notification for later videos. And if you like this video, so press the like button for a YouTube algorithm. So without delay, let's get started. Okay, so now let's talk about a first project, which is a password generator project. I have created this project which looks like this. So in order to create a project which looks like this, you need to learn about three things, in which the first thing is a Kinter module. So Kinter module is basically used for creating a graphical user interfaces in Python. Now second thing is a JavaScript object notation, which is used for handling all of your data. And the third thing is a file handling, in which you need to learn about creating, reading, appending, writing and reading of files. So now let's talk about how it works. So I have implemented error handling in this password manager application. Error handling is basically if you blank any one of these input fields, then it will throw you an error, and by pressing on generate password button, it will generate a 16-digit password and it will automatically paste inside this input field. And you can also search based on your website name into your file. Okay, so now the second project that you can build is a turtle racing game, and in order to build this game you need to learn about two things. One is a turtle module and second is a random module to generate a random turtles. Now turtle module is basically used for creating a turtle games, and a random module is used for generating a random values. Okay, so now let's talk about a third project, which is a rain forecaster. So the main motto of this project is sending you an SMS if it will rain in the next 12 hours. So in order to create a project which looks like this, you need to learn about three things, in which the first thing is API. Now application programming interfaces is a set of commands or a function which is used for getting a data from an external website. Now second thing is sending an SMS. So there is a one API called Twilio which is used for sending an SMS, and the third thing is a datetime module. So I used the datetime module to predict on which date it will rain or not. Okay, so now fourth project is a stock news alert app. My main motto behind creating this application is to know about my favorite stock, and if the stock price is increased or decreased by a 5%, then it will send me SMS with a current stock price and also the news about that company. So in order to create application just like that, you need to learn about a four thing. First is the API, second is a request module which is used to make a request to get all of the data from about that stock, and the third is a datetime module which is used to get data from a particular date, and the fourth thing is a Twilio API which is used for sending an SMS. Okay, so now let's talk about a fifth project, automate birthday wisher. Sometimes I forget a birthday of my near and dear ones. So to overcome this problem, I create a one Python program in which an email is sent to that particular person automatically. In order to create a program just like that, you need to learn about three things. First is a datetime module, second is a SMTP. So SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol. It is used for sending an email, and the third thing is a pandas library. So pandas library I used for storing all of that birth dates and email address of that person. So this is all about Python projects, and if you need any help to create these projects, make sure to comment below. I will definitely help you. So we will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye and enjoy your day.